Hi, in this video we're going to look at how to convert a fraction into a percent. So you may actually already have all the skills needed to do that, but I definitely want to make sure that you can see the whole thing from start to end. Okay, so we're going to start off by converting a percent to a fraction first, which is significantly easier. So percent to fractions first. So here we have let's say an example where we have to convert 35% to a fraction. Oops, there we go. All right, so we're going to convert 35% to a fraction. The key thing that we have to remember here is that percent means out of 100. So this actually means 35 out of 100. But it's not done here. Yes, this is a fraction, but we do want to express our fraction in simplest forms. So in order to do that, we want to find the GCF of the numerator and the denominator. And in this case, the GCF, the greatest common factor, is 5. So we go ahead and divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5. Oops, there we go. And we get 7 in the numerator and 20 in the denominator. So that's how you take a percent and convert it into a fraction. Now going the other direction, converting a fraction into a percent is a little bit harder, but we'll be able to do it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and convert 3/8 to a percent. Here's the thing. In order to get a fraction as a percent, there is no avoiding it. We do first need to know what this fraction is as a decimal, and then we can convert the decimal to a percent pretty easily. So the key thing here is remembering that that fraction bar really means divided by. So this reads as 3 divided by 8. So we can go ahead and set up our long division, and I hope this is review for you. If it is review for you, this will not be hard. If it's not review for you, I'm going to be going a little bit fast, so you may want to check out a video on long division if I went too fast for you to understand. All right, so 8 into 3. All right, so 8 goes into 3, no times, but there is a remainder. We're going to have that 0 here. 8 goes into 33 times. We line up our decimal point. 8 times 3 is 24. Now we can subtract and we get 6, and I sincerely apologize if this is not review for you. I hope it is. All right, now 8 into 60 is 7, and 8 times 7 is 56, and we can go ahead and subtract and figure out that the remainder here is 4. We need to keep going because there is a remainder. Drop the 0 here. 8 into 40 is 5. 8 times 40 is 40, and this is good news because there is no remainder. So as a decimal, and that's not what the question is asking for, but as a decimal, 3/8 is 0.375. Now, in order to convert a decimal to a percent, you may recall from a previous lesson, we have to multiply the decimal by 100, or, same thing, move the decimal place 2 positions to the right in order to convert a decimal to a percent. So now we have that, or 3/8 is actually 37.5%. And that's how you convert a fraction to a percent.